A common question I get is, are wood-look planks considered large format tile? The short answer is yes, but let's take a deeper look. Today I'll explain the difference between large format tile, gauged porcelain tile panels and slabs, and porcelain slabs, using real samples, and I'll also share installation tips from a recent gauged panel workshop. Large format tile, or LFT, is defined by the Tile Council of North America, or TCNA, as any tile with at least one edge longer than 15 inches. That includes 12 by 24, 18 by 18, and yes, 6 by 36 or 8 by 48 wood-look planks absolutely qualify. LFTs are commonly used on both floors and walls, but they require special attention to substrate flatness and installation methods to prevent issues like lippage and bonding failure. Gauged porcelain tile panels and slabs, also known as GPTP/GPTS, are extremely large format tiles manufactured to tight tolerances. The word gauged refers to their consistent thickness, typically 3.5 mm to 6.5 mm. GPTP products can measure up to 1.5 meters by 3 meters, it is roughly 5 feet by 10 feet, and are used for walls, floors, countertops, and even facades. These tiles require special tools and trained installers. Installation includes using a Euronotch trowel, full coverage bonding with appropriate mortar, back buttering, and mechanical vibration to collapse ridges and eliminate voids. Porcelain slabs are often 12 mm or thicker, used primarily for countertops, vanities, and worktops. While they can be similar in size to GPTP, they are not gauged and not designed for the same installation methods or flexibility. Porcelain slabs are handled and fabricated more like engineered stone, often with wet saws or CNC routers. Here's where it gets technical and critical. According to the TCNA handbook, for LFT, the substrate must not exceed 1/8 of an inch deviation in 10 feet. For GPTP, the requirement tightens to 1/8 of an inch in 10 feet and 1/16 of an inch in 24 inches from the required plane, when measured from the high points in the surface. These tolerances apply to both floors and walls. You can't just install over a wavy surface, you need to correct it using methods like self-leveling underlayment, floor patch, or wall floating. If these tolerances aren't met, you'll run into lippage, cracked tiles, or bond failure. These large, thin tiles don't forgive uneven surfaces, and you only get one shot. Proper prep is non-negotiable. To recap, wood plank tiles are definitely LFT. GPTP and porcelain slabs go far beyond that in size and handling. Understanding the standards helps you avoid costly mistakes. If this helped, subscribe for more tips, and comment if you have a question.